Hello, I will talk about greetings. Well, in any country, greetings may be quite important thing. In Japanese, perhaps some of you heard about like sayonara, arigato, ohayo, but I just pronounced very incorrectly now. I did, intentionally. Something like this. Many foreigners pronounce like this. Ohayo gozaimasu. Sayonara. Konnichiwa. Totally wrong. Because Japanese doesn't have much accent in a sentence. And actually native Japanese people try to listen to any accent in the sentence and try to distinguish you are native or not, or you speak well or you don't speak at all. Although you are saying the same thing, but they have a lot of accent in a sentence, people think you cannot speak Japanese well. Okay, good morning. It's Ohayo gozaimasu. I said gozaimasu. Gozaimasu is always be very polite. Or another one, you can say ohayo. It's not very polite basic sentence, but still you can say so. If you are kind of close friend, or maybe to your wife, or to your friend, ohayo. No problem. But usually, in a society, in a company, if you see somebody in the morning, let us say, Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Again, I will give you another bad example. Ohayo gozaimasu. No good. Ohayo gozaimasu. And hello. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa, follow me. Konnichiwa, follow me. Konnichiwa. This is kind of easy sentence, and you should memorize. Not just a word. Accent. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. What about you want to make polite? Very hello, or something like this. Konnichiwa gozaimasu? No. No such Japanese. Be careful. Konnichiwa gozaimasu is incorrect. No such thing. But good evening. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Again, there is no such Japanese like konbanwa gozaimasu. No. Be careful. Ohayo gozaimasu. Alright. Konnichiwa gozaimasu. No. Konbanwa gozaimasu. No. Konnichiwa and konbanwa. And very important things. When you come to Japan, well, you can always say like arigato. And be polite. Arigatou gozaimasu. Well, you can say it as many times as you want, even you don't really feel appreciate. Or just say thanks, but you just say arigato. Then people feel good. Try use this kind of strategy when you come to a new country. And the last one is the sayonara. Sayonara, I guess you know what the meaning. Okay, sayonara.